my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a tutorial on my slick bags, because you know my slick bags be cute, no cap. So yeah, let's just get started. First of all, let me clear this off because I be having so much. So what you're gonna need, actually you can use whatever gel you want to use. Make sure you have gel. Make sure you have some type of moisturizer for your hair. This is just a deep conditioner mask. Make sure you have at least 2 or 3 of these, depending on how thick your hair is. I need about 3. A hard brush and a comb, a toothbrush, and a spoolie. But you don't have to have this, but spoolies, trust me, I'm going to show you how much they help. So yeah, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is, I'm going to do a side part. You can do whatever part you want to do though. I like to do my parts kind of like, let me show y'all, hold on, like this. Ooh, perfect. Oh shoot, I need to go to I need a cosmetology class, because baby, I'm pretty good. Like, I can do a part and get it the first time. So yeah. Alright, so next, first I apply some oil right there, because I don't know, my hair get real dry right there if I don't apply oil. And this is just mineral oil. It's for, you can use it for your face, anything. So first I apply oil. Then I go on my Eco Styling gel. Sorry, y'all. My family's loud. I put some gel right here. Y'all, they are so loud. I'm so sorry. Like, what are they screaming for? Alright. Depending on how your hair is, depends on how much gel you need to use. My hair gets, starts to look straight when I put in a lot of gel. So, yeah. Hey, boy, get them out of there. So I just started swooping down. Let's see. Alright. So, my God, I look foul. Yeah. Just brush. Sorry, y'all. My dad keep coming in here like, what you need? What you need? Alright. Take your toothbrush. And, bruh, this is the most important part. If you want a good swoop, everybody be asking me, how you get your swoop so good? Watch. So, you gotta pull your hair down to however low you want your swoop. So you gotta hold it back though, so it's not getting loose back there. I always get gel like everywhere. Alright. Alright, so keep swooping. Alright, this spoolie. Oh, we got hair on it, because y'all already know I be using it for my hair. But look. It's basically like a mascara brush. This right here is my swoop secret, baby. Boom. Is this how low I want my swoop, or do I want to swoop more? Y'all, I be like, do I want my swoop more? But I end up not swooping it too much. Alright. After you did that, brush again. And then we're going to start working on this side with my edges and stuff. Alright, if it's tight, make sure you don't forget the back. I always forget the back. Alright. I have to take 2 of these. Hold on. Alright. Just tie your hair back. Oh, yeah, that is a workout. Go over my spoolie real quick. I meant go over with my spoolie. Alright, now y'all look. Y'all gotta listen, look. Alright, So, take some gel, put on your toothbrush. This is when you start swooping. Just swoop down for now. Just swoop down. Then we'll start working on like the different swoops. Alright. And you want to take the spoolie, brush your hair down, and then over. Down, over. Down, over. Y'all, I end up messing with my edges for about 2 minutes straight. Because I don't like when like parts like this show. I don't like how that look. Alright, then I got sideburns. I don't like sideburns, but they aggy. But mine naturally be just curling like this, but I still add gel so that it stays the other day. So let's add gel. And I pull out hair so that it's like a little frizz on the side. That's cute. You can also like curl this, but I don't like how that looks. So I don't do that. And sometimes if my swoop is not super swooped down, I will take a scarf, I'll wrap it around, and I'll take this. Where is it? I'll take my blow dryer and I'll blow on it for about 3 minutes. And after that, well, that thing be swoop. So that's a good thing to do. Well, to try. Y'all should try that. I don't have to use it today because I just washed my hair, so it's kind of straight. And sometimes I put Can 2 or anything that defines curls right here. Because as y'all can see, it's kind of frizzy right now. Sometimes sometimes I have the curls, sometimes it's like frizzy. But yeah, that's it, y'all. It's really easy, I swear. Alright, let me give y'all 360. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want any more tutorials, if you want anything, you want me to show you how I put on my lashes, what y'all want, y'all gotta let me know. I done told y'all run this channel, y'all gotta let me know. And yeah, oh, also, if you guys want a room tour, just comment that under here because I would love to do that. I'll have my mom record for me. I'll walk y'all around. My room's not big at all, but I got some cute stuff in here. It may give you guys some ideas. But follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter right here. And yeah, that's it in this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.